All right, today we're gonna go over a hidden feature on the Golf GTI. And it is the emotion start. So it's a cold start. It is built into the car from the factory. Nothing you have to add to the car. It just starts it up more aggressively so it sounds better and you get some cracks and pops. I think Mercedes has their own version of this and they also call it an emotion start. So it must be some kind of German thing. I haven't heard of it for some of the American cars I've had. I know for a fact it works on the 2025 MK8.5 GTI. I don't know what other model years it works for on the GTI besides the Golf Rs. So you guys are gonna have to try this out and then maybe verify in the comments if it works for your GTI. Before I show you how to do it, here's a screenshot from the owner's manual. It is, like I said, part of the car's design. This is not some weird workaround that's gonna harm your car. It's right in here. Got this from the online owner's manual. It would be nice if the GTI came with a performance brochure that kind of describes stuff like this and all the driving modes, but you know, whatever, I guess it's in the owner's manual. For reference, here's a clip of starting the car the normal way. So foot on the brake, press the start button. You can see the car went up to about 1800 RPM. And here's a clip of the emotion start that revs higher and sounds more aggressive. The way you do this is don't put your foot on the brake or anything, just leave them flat. Press and hold the start button right here. You just hold it down for 3 seconds. Don't release it, just keep holding it. And then while you're doing that, after 3 seconds, you take your foot, put it on the brake, and after a second or so, it's gonna start up and do what I showed you. So one more time, press and hold, count to 3, keep it held down, press the brake, and then it's gonna start up. So if you have a Mark 8.5, enjoy your new trick and your new startup. If you have any other model year, give it a shot, put in the comments, let us know if it works for you. With that, we're gonna wrap up the video. So if it was helpful, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff helps the channel. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.